Welcome to Quest. We have with us now Prashansana, who, being a law student, took up the challenge of getting into Excel, and she has scored 89.2% in the Excel Associate. Welcome, Prashansana, to our Quest show.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Prashansana, can you introduce yourself on behalf of the viewers?
Thank you. My name is Prashanshna Garg, and I am from Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. I'm a law student, and currently I'm pursuing my law from Ajinkya River Patil University, Pune.
Excellent, awesome. So, first and foremost question: what prompted you, coming from a law background, to take up Excel, where very few people I have seen law students showing interest in Excel?
Sir, it is not important to know Microsoft when you're a law student, but if you apply for a job or an internship, it becomes really necessary to know every kind of thing to become a very Excel person and to
Right,
pursue your job
correct,
in a
correct.
significant way, in a good way. So it's very
Right,
important
right,
if you want a job or an internship in a good company or a big firm to know everything, to be aware of everything, or to be all rounder, I would say.
excellent. So, when a very, very young age, actually, you have that thought process, which very few people I have seen. So that's really awesome. So, can you tell us a little bit about how the journey has been for this Excel in terms of training? And second thing is, do you really see the necessity for students, especially law students, to go through coaching?
So I do see necessity for law students and to go under the coaching because it it becomes very easy to understand things like you have coached me. So you have made it very easy for me to go through the instructions to do the things very easily without any complications. And also Shubham, he
Right.
used to send me templates and used to make sure whether I'm practicing or not, just to make sure if I clear the exam. So it's very important for somebody to undergo coaching because the person who's teaching, he would make sure that you're becoming, say, you're doing well.
Professionally
And
skilled.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, right. Awesome. Awesome. So, coming to the point of exam. So, when you took up the Excel Associate, was it really a tough exam?
Actually, at first, it was tough for me to clear, because I wasn't prepared for it. But with
Right,
right amount of practice, I don't think so. It's really hard to clear the exam.
right,
And you and
right,
Shubham really helped me out with the practices and the templates, everything to
right.
make me clear the exam.
Awesome. So, how do you want to really actually make use of Excel as a skill? You mentioned that it is definitely important. I totally agree that corporate world, whichever domain, including law, engineering, commerce, everyone should know these basics, and everyone has in their computer, but we really don't know how to make use of it. So, how do you want to take this further in your journey in your life?
First of all, the certificate would really help me out to get the internships I want because people
Okay.
do ask for the other skills we have. So it's really helping me
Right.
out to apply for the better internships and job opportunities. And yes, it will help me out to make better projects, assignments, and shortcut keys and make
Right,
my
right.
work more efficient and easy.
Awesome. So, is there any specific area that you felt that it ignited the spark in Prashansana, like say worksheets, formulas, graphs? There are so many things that you learned during the journey. So it might be simple if condition, it might be a pivot table, charts, something that you always felt that this is you and you need to put a lot more effort and use this for your rest of your life.
Maybe the formulas, it was easy to learn.
Okay.
I'm not really good at Microsoft, but the formulas and the shortcuts, it made me a better person, I would say, in terms of Microsoft, in terms of using computer.
Right. I remember during our trainings, few months ago, especially during the if conditions, you were always the first to come out with the solutions actually. So I mean, you mentioned about Shubham Sharma, who was completely being the guide, especially during this
Yes,
pandemic where
yes,
conducting the exams was a real headache. So any word
yes.
about him?
Yes, sir. Actually, thanks to Shubham, he made me really easy for me to clear the exam. At first, I was so tense because I could not complete my examination at time, and it was tough for me to understand how to use the computers and all. But with with the help of Shubham, with all the templates and with all the practice and with all the classes and mock tests he took, it became really easy for me to clear the exam. So all thanks goes to
Awesome.
him actually.
Super, super. Anything else you want to share to someone who is so young of your age, who are still, in question mark, what they should do when it comes to something like Excel?
I think every person should know how to use Microsoft or Excel because your it makes your life basically easy if you're a smarter person than you were before. So I think
Correct,
everybody
correct.
should go through the classes and coachings, and especially by you and Shubham.
Right. Awesome. So congrats, Prashant. This is really great to see someone who has just walked out of 12th standard, something into university. It was a brave step for someone like you coming from a law student, where I have not seen people really taking one step in that direction. Most of us take things for granted that this is there since my childhood. I know how to use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, but Excel, like you rightly said, it makes you think, which is how you can differentiate between a smartphone and me. Actually, my smartphone is always smarter, but Excel makes me actually logical, and the thought process helps us to do better in our career, as you rightly said. As a student, for your projects, for internship, and getting better opportunities tomorrow, you can display your skills everywhere. So I've seen people who used in their resume their SGPAs and CGPAs, they put it in a chart. Students have used it in their stock market daily analysis. So the list is actually endless. And good part is we all have it in our computers, and it is
Yes,
cost effective actually compared to any other programming language. So
yes,
thank you so much for your time. Like I mentioned, we are in the process of creating the like-minded, professionally skilled hub for all the students who qualified through us, and there'll be a lot of opportunities for each one of you in that process. So I'll keep you posted. So congratulations once again on your success, and God bless.
thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
sir.
Take care.